Hello Trade Pros, this is Victor from Trade Pro Academy, and today we've got another video for you. In relation to last week's video on the DOM, today we're going to be showing you our super secret indicator available to everyone on Sierra Charts that we did discuss a few videos back. So what are these blue and red boxes that you see on these charts? So on the main screen here you can see it's just covered in blue and red boxes. So what are they, how do you use them, and why are they helpful? So this is a study available on Sierra Charts, which is an overlay of an actual heat map onto your chart. So it's called Market Depth Historical Graph, and what it does is it overlays all the offers and bids as you see them on your ladder on the chart. So again, you can customize the settings. For example, if we go into this chart right here, this is Tentic on the SPOOs, we hit F6 and we go into Market Depth Historical Graph and see the settings. So the way I've set it is that it only graphs quantities greater or equal to 389 on this specific chart. You can change this depending on the market volatility and movement and how many contracts have traded that day. So it'll only print bids and offers that are equal to 389 contracts on the ladder or more. So that's the inventory that's going to show up on your chart. Now, of course, you can change the number like I said, and we have it overlaid here on these 1000 constant volume bars. So you can see the brighter they light up, the greater the number is. So perhaps these faded areas are 389, while these super bright areas might be in the 600s or 500s. Now, why is it important to see this overlay of inventory when you can just easily look at the ladder? Well, it gives you a very specific visualization of what is going on, and the trend of the market also looks at support and resistance levels very, very easily. So as you can see right here on this move lower, you can see kind of a stepladder fashion going down with these bids and these offers. This generally means that the bids are moving away from the market, pressing lower, while the offers are aggressively trying to sell this thing lower. So as they press down like that in a stepladder fashion, you can see more aggressive selling is coming into the market, while some of these bids are getting absorbed or pressing even lower. So this is a very bearish indication, and it's very visual on the chart itself rather than just looking at the DOM. So again, you can use these as support and resistance levels and test levels. So what I mean by that is right here, you can see these two little bottoms right here. The creation of the double bottom here is formed with two bid boxes printed down here that have not been traded. So these act as support. These bids did not get filled to the downside, and as you can see, each time up they started moving higher and higher, trying to press price higher. So that means aggressive buyers were coming into the market. Now on the other hand, if these bids did get cleared, or if they started pressing lower and you saw more offers come into the downside, that's a very bearish stance, as more sellers, aggressive sellers, are trying to get into the market and is trying to press price lower. Again, to the upside right here, you can see the same thing. The offers are sitting back up here and they're holding as resistance, preventing the buyers from pushing the price back up, and they start pressing their offers lower and lower, trying to get into the market more aggressively to sell this thing. So it's a very visual way of seeing the DOM in real time on a chart, which does help a lot to look how the trend is forming. Will the trend break? Will it continue? Where could potential support and resistance levels be? And where are the big buyers and sellers? So it really comes together at certain levels of importance. So this US VWAP right here, you can see on this 1000 constant volume bar, you can see a lot of offers sitting up here right near this level. So generally, without the offers even being there, that's going to be considered a strong resistance. But with the offers just pressing price lower, trying to sell it at that area, and even pressing it lower, you can see right here, 1 2 1 2, it just holds a strong resistance. So the way that we like to use this is to see if areas like that get tested and cleared, or if they don't, they come within that area and get pressed lower. So if they get pressed lower, it's going to be a nice resistance area. If it gets cleared and we see some more bids start stacking up higher, this could be a breakout to the upside. So that's generally how you use the market depth historical graph, our secret little indicator with the DOM reflected on the chart. Not so secret considering everyone has access to this, but the way that we use it is special. If you guys see anything on the screen here you want explained a little further, just let me know and we'll make a video about it. Again, this is Victorio from Trade Pro Academy with a quick little Sierra Charts tip for you guys.